Hey all, today we're going to take a look at this magnifying light. Let's take a look at this. What do we got here? We got a 10x magnifying glass with LEDs, clamp. Let's get this baby set up. Alright, we got a lens cleaning cloth there. Packing, trash. I think we got a clamp here. Let's pop this baby open. Get the clamp, trash. We got a magnifying light here. Pretty heavy duty, feels heavy. Not bad, not bad. Got switches, and we got a power block. Awesome. Let's get rid of this box. And let's see what we got here. Alright. Now let's set up this clamp here. Just we can set it up right over here. Side of the table. Right, let's get that clamped in. I don't want it to fall. Now let's put the light in the clamp. You see where I got the clamp right over here? Get that set up. Alright. Look at that. Alright, get this off of here. Now we just gotta plug her in and see what she's made of. Alright. So it does come with its own power supply, that's good. Some stuff doesn't come with it these days, they figure you got one. Let's plug this bad boy in. See what kind of power supply do they give us. This would be a good job for the magnifier, huh? It's 100 to 240 volts input. Output is 2 amps, 10 watts. That's a pretty good one. Let's plug her in. Over here. Let's turn it on. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, we shut the lights off so we can get a look at this without the glare from other overhead lights, for the camera anyway, and we can see what it looks like. If you're having to do some soldering work, you can see it. Pretty good. Nice 10 times magnification. This is pretty awesome. If you're doing some soldering work, say. This is very nice. Very nice. I don't know what that glitching is on my, if that's going to come through. Anyway, there's one example. You could bring it up closer if you had to. Okay. Or we could look at something else. This battery. You could clearly read all the numbers on it and stuff. Or maybe even a chip if you can't see the numbers so good anymore. Put the chip right under there. 10 times magnification, no problem. Now I don't have to take a picture of everything that I need to read on these little chips. You know, inside the tools and stuff. Sometimes you need a nice magnifier to see where stuff is going. Read directions. Pretty cool. Probably better if you take your glasses off when you're reading it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And then the colors, that's pretty cool too. So what I'm noticing is it has like three rows of lights. One's like a daylight, one's like a natural light, and then the other one is like two of them combined. That's what's making these different colors, and it looked different on the chip like this. Let me see when I do that again. See that? And then that's the on and off button. That's the color button. This is the brighten up. This is the brightness button. So you make it as bright as hell, see it? It's really bright. I don't know what that epic was that flashed on the screen, but I guess we'll find out. See how low this goes. So it's pretty low, and you can see it's still pretty bright under there. Pretty good. That's about as low as it goes. And of course there's colors. Let's see how bright this goes. Takes a second for the camera to adjust to that. So as you can see, there's infinite possibilities with this HITTI desktop magnifier. 10 times magnification. Pretty awesome. I'm glad they gave me a chance to try it. I hope you guys will order some if you need it. I'm going to leave a link down below. And that's about it. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, HITTI desktop magnifier. Don't forget to leave some comments. Subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.